So after yesterday's failure to get to the boulders, managed to fall into the river. Today is also a nicer day, sunshine, but now I'm going through an indirect way. Gonna hike around maybe half an hour. Drove up to a point that I can hike down towards the creek from the other side. But hiking to this trail will be a good warm-up too. But look at this, it's beautiful. It's just yeah, this is the biggest boulder of the area. Might start with something smaller, you know, warm up. Can't forget that I'm by myself. Coming back up from the bouldering today. It's really nice being outside again. Not that I'm not outside all the time, but I mean climbing. Managed to send almost nothing. Just did one boulder, the rest just working on a number of problems. Still not feeling 100%. I can't complain really. Most people don't climb at the moment, so it's good to be. It was a good workout. But anyway, just show you the view now of the valley. It's amazing. The bouldering was down there. This is the whole valley. The river is down there. As you can see, the sun is setting now. And look at those towers. Combination of colors, red, green. It's nice. I think this gap needs to be.
Yeah, we'll close the gap right now.
This when you're.
Not sure if it's here.
Ooh!
Yes.
Yeah!
Come on, man.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Yes.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's just in my mind, you know? Yeah. Since I was a kid, I don't want to have it before. Change my style completely.